Hi, this is Valerie from the iGMS Customer Experience team, and today I will show you how to connect your Booking.com account to iGMS. First, sign into your Booking.com account and select the property you'd like to connect. In the top menu, click Account, and from the drop-down menu, choose Connectivity Provider. In the search bar, find iGMS and tick all the checkboxes to give iGMS access to the property's data. Click Next and double-check your contact information. Note that the ID field should be empty. After that, accept the terms and conditions and click Yes, I accept. The connection will be approved by iGMS within 24 hours. You will receive a confirmation when it's done, and the new status will be displayed in your Booking.com account as well. Now you can integrate your Booking.com account on iGMS site. Log into your iGMS account and go to the Accounts and Listings section. Click Connect Account. Select the Booking.com channel and then the Connect to Property option. Check the instructions on the screen and click Continue. Next, enter your Booking.com property ID. It's a 7-digit number that is displayed on the upper left corner in the profile of your property on Booking.com, and click Continue to finalize the integration. You can connect other Booking.com properties, including hotels, the same way. If your property is listed on Booking.com, Airbnb, and Vrbo platforms, we highly recommend to group them via iGMS Channel Manager to run as one property and mitigate the risks of getting double bookings. If you need further assistance, check our guides on Help Desk or contact our Customer Experience team via email or chat. We're always there to help you.